Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter shadow ban on your Twitter. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we just go down and we click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we just go down to looking for a Twitter app. We'll just go down and we find it. We will click here on Twitter, then we come to next window here, like you say, we click here on for stop and we will click here on. Then we go down, we click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache and we come here to clear on clear data, and you just update your app on Play Store and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.